Hello traders, in today's live trading session video, we're going to be taking a look at the 9 instruments that we usually look at. We're going to be taking a look at the close positions, the open positions, and the potential trade setting up. This and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. It is Stu Narpan here, founder of Master the Markets Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are swiftly moving into the Bitcoin to begin with. So on Bitcoin, what have we done? We have an open position here on a long trade over here. So what we are actually taking a look at is we entered on here on 26086 and 24919 as a initial stop loss is what we had looked at. Remember, we've been updating all of this also in our Master the Markets 2010 channel over here, and we've been taking a look at it posting. You see, third attempt, is it going to hold, and all of that. So those are the positions that we've been tracking in real time. And how is it performing as of now? That bottom is still holding as of here, right, towards a phase 1 position. So we'll see how that stands true. I'm just going to quickly take a look on the daily. I don't think we are getting a trailing stop because it is just recent. You see, this was the place more or less where we got in. But it's doing a phase 2 at the moment. If it holds that and then does that, then that would be a great place to trail. And we got to see if we are having any interruptions on the weekly as well. So let me just see. Yeah, we got that too. So if it does take out that high, we'll have a potential trail. But other than that, we can't. You see, whenever you're looking to hold on to like more bigger trend moving trades, you got to be patient. There's no other way, and that's the one thing that you got to get used to with your psychology, the patience. Okay, right. So then that's to do with Bitcoin. So can't really do much on the trail over there. And in terms of Ethereum, what are we looking at? Ethereum, I was taking a look at that. We were saying to take some continuation trades in alignment with the weekly time frame. So at the moment, traders, this is actually a downtrend because it took out the low, right? So then after that, so that is like a downtrend here. That's what we were going through in terms of defined trend, defined phase over the Traders Basecamp workshop that we just did over the weekend. And a lot of traders, I must say, they do not know how to define a trend and a phase because they don't have the quantification of the tops and bottoms that we have done here, which is quite unique here at Master the Markets, combined with the VSA Lite indicator designed by the Trade Guider team as well. So really some powerful combination of methodologies that we're using here. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone. So in terms of Ethereum, so we are having, I was saying that wait for the bottom to confirm and then the top to confirm, which we have over here. But however, we're just being cautious on this because of the reason that if you take a look, for this bottom to be taken out, traders, if you take a look at this table over here, from where the top got confirmed, which is this orange bar over there, all the way to now, it has done about 290, okay, about 290. Now, $290. So here, if you look at the far right, that's 29,000, right, without decimal points. So 290.00. So to go more than that, it's only got 27% chance. So it's very low for it to go below that. That's why we are not taking this particular trade. Even if we were to take it, we can take it at a very low risk. So I will just update this for now, and I will say that daily top has confirmed for a short position. However, there is only a 27% chance of weekly carrying on a lower south. Okay, so that's what we will put onto here. So will not be. So we will be not taking the short position. Okay, and I'll just put this here as of today will be 25th. Okay, that's what I will do in terms of that. Okay, so we got that one there. So won't be taking any position on that. And now, how do we know this? That's why I always say, traders, you must always know your how much move is left. How much move is left? This is what I'm going to be talking about, or other words known as open equity. I'm going to be talking about all of this coming up in about 2 weeks' time on the STA, Society of Technical Analysis. They've invited us to come and talk. They've seen that there's something really good over here that we can give value to their clients. So that's what we're going to be talking all about. If you guys are in the UK, you should come in. It's a in-person talk as well that we'll be doing. So always know your open equity. That's what this tables is all about. What it's all this is saying. What's the percentage move that will go further down? And again, we talk all about that as well regularly through all our posts over here at Master the Markets 2010 channel. Another thing what I will highly recommend is also watch our streams as well. But before you watch the streams, I would say watch our free 5-day video course first, right? Which is over here. And over here, the Trader Starter Pack, that's the 5-day video course. Over here, if you just go onto that link, you will learn all the methodologies. After that, you can start to go and watch our streams where we have done a 7-part video series on consistent trading performance. Okay. Watch it step by step. I tell you that you will definitely understand more of this methodology and it will absolutely make sense. It all started in the 1960s, okay, by the quant traders, really smart geniuses. Those guys, well, they designed this. Right, now over here, we got an open position on gold. As you can see, we did take it as of 5th of September. However, it has hit our trailing stop loss. Okay, so that's what I've updated over here. At £1,000 risk, we have lost about 233 pounds in that. The previous one, we did lose a little bit, 54. But it's okay. Once you believe in the age of your system, you keep taking it, keep the losses small, and wait for the big runners to come. That's what we do over here. Now, in terms of gold, if I take a look now on the daily, there is actually a potential trade that I've written out over here. So I just got to wait for the daily to confirm. Maybe we will then take another trade on that. Now, in terms of probabilities for this to carry on further down, it's quite a bit of a probability because if you take a look from the close of that, it has already traveled 27.69, right? So to go to 28, look at that, right? To go to 28 or 30, it's got a 70% chance. So it's really good high probability for you to take that low. So we'll be taking another position once it confirms. So what I will say over here is that move on weekly is downtrend, waiting for daily top to confirm. Okay, so that's what we'll be waiting for second position. Now this is as of today, right? So we'll take a look at that and we'll see how that carries on to be. For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below. Right, now moving forward, then that's on gold. British pound. Did we have any trades now? It's broken. You see, British pound has broken the structural level here. Now it's a downtrend phase one. We did take a few positions on number one and number two for it to hold and turn, but it did not do that. So now it's carrying on further down. So we'll be looking for continuation trades. Also, the reason for this, in our previous video, we had mentioned that it's the monthly, isn't it? The monthly is looking to make a top over here because it's also a downtrend phase two, right? So when you know your correlations, and especially when you got a structured solid framework like this with all the cycles being tops and bottoms being quantified, you'll be much more clearer in where you are in terms of the cycle on any time frame on any day. Okay, that's very, very critical. Right, so we've got that one there on cable. So cable is not doing much on there, not many trades. Euro dollar, yes, it has broken that level. We did say waiting for daily top to confirm. We did take a trade on this on a 50% open equity. And we also did mention that there's a 50% chance that the low will be taken out and it did take out on this bar over here. So this is another strategy where we do on continuation. We do it on the live trading room as well over here at Master the Markets. And here you can see, right, we posted the $0 going to reach his 50% OE target, and we held on to it since 21st of September, even earlier than that. This is the number two post that we did. Number one was much earlier, you see over here, and target number one. That was on 19th of September. So we've been holding on to this so far. It's been great. So you can see over here on the daily chart. So, and also the BSA light indicators also saying that it's a short. So we took that and we entered in here, right? And then we are riding this move towards our 50% OE target, okay? Which is based on all these open equity tables over here on the 100 pip move. That's what we're doing over there. Right, and that's all been updated over here, right? On this post over here, if you can see that, you can see in terms of the target as well, you can see where the target is, right? 105.42, and we're going towards that, the Fed news bar. So definitely we have labeled all of that, so you can take a look at that later on. 105.42, so it's a bit almost getting there. So we've got about another what is it, about 20 30 pips more to go, and then you will get there. We'll wait and see how that carries along. We'll be trailing our stop loss as well. So that's an open position on euro dollar that we're doing. Let me just put that back on the weekly here. Okay, so there you go. That's on euro dollar. On S&P, what am I having? At the moment, S&P has taken out its last low. This is a downtrend phase one on the weekly, right? So we need to wait for phase two before we take a top towards the bottom. So, and we did not take the previous one over there, but did not fit the criteria, which is good. We did prevent ourselves from our stops being taken out over there. Daily, yeah, we want to take continuation moves. We can wait for the bottom to confirm, and then we can look to take continuation moves. I'll just write that there for over here. So for continuation moves on daily in alignment with weekly, we can wait for the bottom to confirm on daily. Okay, so that's something that we can take a look at over here. Now, the last one, traders, I'm taking a look is on Dow Jones. And on Dow Jones, what are we having over here? Dow Jones, we're having a position as of 28 August, but we did take this in terms of holding that bottom, but it did not with this big fat seller bar in its uptrend phase 2 move. We're looking for it to turn. So we did get stopped out at our initial stop loss as well. We couldn't trail it because we were waiting for the compression to be taken out, as I mentioned here on this post, right? Dollar, is it going to hold, right? So we were saying that once either of these swings get taken out, we will trail. So that didn't happen, so we did have to take that initial stop loss, but that doesn't matter. We shouldn't let that shake our confidence, because we're waiting for the bigger runners. So there's a lot of patience in this game, but once you get one big runner, you just ride on to it towards your target points. Okay, so that's what we got over here. Now in terms of next one here, so wait for this bottom to confirm, okay, according to our smart money indicator and the smart money framework. So we'll wait for that, and then we'll see whether we want to take that position. We'll be checking a look at volume as well to back us up. Okay, so this one here, I'll just write that okay, we will wait for daily bottom to confirm before taking a second position on Dow Jones. Okay, daily bottom confirm before taking a second position towards confirming on weekly and turning into a phase one, turning into a weekly uptrend phase one move. Okay, and this will be as of today, isn't it not, traders? Yeah, so that for reference we can take a look as well. Right, so this one we can delete. I think yes. So this one maybe I will just write over here. First position stopped out for ISL for initial stop loss. Okay, and I'll put that in orange so that we know for the future as well. All right, traders, I guess that's pretty much that in terms of all the positions over here. In terms of all the review of the positions, we'll update this onto the trading view. And of course, just to sum up, those of you who are already asking us, like in terms of how can you understand this better, again, as I mentioned before, follow us on Master the Markets 2010 channel. And to begin off with, start with this 5-day video course. All you got to do is copy that URL link onto your website, right? All you got to do is just that, and then it will bring you to that web page, and you can put your name and email and number if you want to get live trading updates, and then you will get the free 5-day video call just sent to you. Really highly invaluable. Over 15 years of full-time collated research and with our 40 years of cumulative trading experience here with the team at Master the Markets. So you'll get all of that. After that, then watch the streams and all these two video series we've done. Consistent trading performance, I highly recommend that, and then strategy construction. So do it in that way. That will really, really help you. All right, traders, that's pretty much that from me on this live trading session video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.